Mason, open your gift.
Dad, did you see this?
Those are awesome, huh?
Oh, it's one of those things that goes in the sun. Yeah, sunflower. Mason going right for the chocolate. What? Daddy? You got chocolate? Oh, that's cute. What is it?
It's like, you want me to just open it?
Yes.
Ready? This is what you guys got.
Ooh.
This and a
Yep.
bag of Hershey Kisses.
Kisses.
And then this is Merce.
All right.
And that's Merce.
Did you get everything?
Yeah.
All right.
Except for Merce. The only thing I did want to open. So what's his name? His name is Snuggles.
What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma.
Mason, what do you say?
Say peace.
Say peace. Peace.
Mason. Mason, say hi to Grandma. Wave. Mason. No?
Jeez.
There you go. Eat a cracker off the floor.